Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called the SiphonCash. In this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this SiphonCash is all about. And also, I also to help you to make more money. I am also included exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more affiliate commission. So, and also in my last year, I also will go through what is the price and upsell as well. So, and what is the product is SiphonCash. So SiphonCash is it's not only just one of training course because you also included a traffic software. The main training is all about is all about how you can fake the domain. This is also the Siphon platform, Siphon process, and how you can make profit by buying a domain and selling your domain in a premium it's a premium domain, and you can make the profit between buying and selling. That is all the profit. This is a very simple way that you can make money off of them. Other than that, I also have some more exclusive bonus in order than this because this product this if you are not very familiar for this if you have watched it and you want you maybe affiliate how to make money online. This is also the most easy way is to affiliate marketing or maybe you have and also want to have physical product, e-commerce, WooCommerce, Shopify, but this is also another way other than affiliate marketing and physical e-commerce, and other than that also you can make money in different ways. In this platform, you will know how to fake your domain, the buying and selling, and also you can between the difference and you can make money. But this is also not easy for if you are a newbie. That is not easy for you in this product. Jimmy is a very experienced over over 10 years about the domain flipping and also to make 7 figure and even 8 figure about this method. So he is very powerful. He is proud of doing this daily basis. So he can teach you how you can do that and very successful. So this is not so also something like just for traffic, push a traffic scammer, because this will teach you exactly how you can use this platform and find the domain and also to find another platform to market your premium domain. And then I also have some exclusive bonus other than this platform in order to help you to make more commission. So I also included 8 exclusive bonus in this different way that will help you to make more money. The first training course, the lost code, this is also how you can make money and make money online training course. Another training course and also how you make money is 0 hour day bonus number 3. Give an easy passive payday, how you can make passive income as the daily basis. Bonus number 4, you will get another training course 0 to 100 in 24 hours. As you can see, I don't have I don't need to explain any more. Just for you how you can make money in 24 hours. That's one day from 0 to 100. Bonus number 5 is the Flaco Breakout. It's a free training course and created by Journal Up Store. Journal Up Store is a very successful 7-figure super affiliate as well as his vendor has premium vendor provide creator. If you want to his last year in May 2020 he announced his own premium training course to teach you how you can make money and about 10k in 30 days, and you can if you are interested in tap into his training and you can simply click the link below in my description. And you can see my top 3 product recommendation. The first recommendation, and you can register to watch John Armstrong training course it is help you to make more money and also to take if you have existing online business and how he can help you how to take your online business to the next level. So if you are interested in it, you can check out my description. The top free product description. The first link it will come to the John Armstrong training course. You can watch it for free. This is also about the training course. This is about the traffic and how you can deal with Instagram influencer. They also have Instagram influencer. They also have about 100 to over a million followers. How you can deal with them, and also to make a deal, and also to promote opt-in rate or affiliate commission. Bonus number 6, you will get a bang profit. A bang profit is not a training cost. It's simply just for a review side, as you can see into the bonus page. But everything and in this bang profit, you will custom get a bonus page with review and custom get bonus, and also you simply to apply affiliate get approval. After you get approval, and you simply copy and paste your affiliate link inside this bonus page, and you are ready rock and roll. You can promote this bonus page. Anybody purchase through your bonus page, and you will get paid. Seems that easy. Bonus 7, you will get another training course. How I made 2,000 with 20 minutes with Facebook group is discovered by Brandon. Brandon Mays is another very successful 7-figure business owner and super affiliate and render creator in War Rappers, and he will teach you how he made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups. Bonus 8, you will get another training course, 5K publishing Paydays, and anyone can make 5,000 per month with 27 days with just for 30 minutes per day. This is another training course, how you can make money by publishing your own book, your Amazon. This is also a very powerful. You can also, other than that, you can see 8 different training course. You will get how to drive traffic and how you can make money in different way. Other than you can learn the make money method in SiphonCash, and how to fake the domain. So if you want to get all my exclusive bonus, simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page and you press this blue button, and you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the raw repers automatically before the countdown time hits 0. So let's take a look at what is inside the membership. So inside the SiphonCash, and you can see that this is also a very keen a members area. Before you tap into anything, I highly recommend that you should to watch the video tutorial. They also simply about 4 videos. The first video is Jimmy. Jimmy will walk you through what is the basic premium domain. The second video is how to sell domain with GoDaddy premium. GoDaddy, if you have online, is also everyone want to buy the domain. This is the most powerful and established domain you can domain buyer. You can buy domain on GoDaddy, but not everyone will know. You can also sell this on Google domain, and you can and price your own domain as the premium. If anybody buy your premium domain, and you will get paid. But how to pick up a premium domain is also a skill. How to do that, and Jimmy will walk you through how to do this special skill. The first video is also to teach you about talking about the business model idea. And you can see this in the video screen. Business model idea, make money online, internet marketing, crypto, forex is also the training, and foreign currency training. And also you can post your affiliate link, click banner wall website CJ Amazon, and also he will sell a domain, this GoDaddy premium, post a website for sale, post a consulting and service, PayPal Street invoice, post a marketing service, PayPal Street invoice, newsletter to build a list is also free. Traffic to your YouTube video and I can see sell your own product is also a different way that you can make money for that. But in this course he will teach you mainly about and how to sell a domain especially he will also to focus on how you can make money with GoDaddy Premium. The last video is how Jimmy will also how Jimmy will teach you how find your domain. And other than that, because this is also before the launch, one day before the launch, and when I tap into some of the service and it won't work at this moment, so I cannot show you what is inside in the inside the software. But I think that is also almost launched. They will have everything will be ready to go. And you will have the app the app that you included about how to find the market and also and how to drive after to your domain and also what everything you do you can find the command traffic suite and also can come with the graphic editor article reminder and also they also come with the custom offer that you can promote and also I think this is also another upgrade you can tap into So lastly I also will teach you also will review to you what are the price and upsell as well. Siphon has the two-part system that enable user to caution off the domains and site as well as auto boost and post their name and cautions to Facebook and other social media platforms. You can also have two platforms. One platform you can how to buy and sell the domain and also and how to post your link to other platforms, social media, Facebook and other social media platforms. So that is also included two parts. There's the cutting edge of combination of traffic and monetization. In addition to the full-pack system, SiphonCash comes with a tutorial and training to ensure optimize the learning and result. What is the price? $60.95. The upsell number one is done for you package. You will $37. They have to come to $27, and then you will get your own virtual assistant to list caution for you, and then plug in your affiliate link and Siphon traffic, and they will allocate their team members to actually work for you. This is also you can so I highly recommend that you can grab it for you because everything you would have you will get that done for you to as your own virtual assistant to everything to done for you. Siphon upsell number two swipe page $67 come with $37. You will get 1,000 of them pre-made swipe and you can do not if you have no idea how you write your swipe you can grab it for $37. This is also I highly recommend you can grab upsell number one and upsell number two because upsell number one they will do this for you. Upsell number two you will get a swipe if you have no idea how you write your email swipe they will do this for you. You will instantly have the pre-made swipe. Upsell number three, you will get a partner with Jimmy, $197, $47, and that is the simple you Jimmy will personally to train you and also how it as your manager and agent because and he will also have weekly meeting since 2011. This is also almost over 10 years. So you will help you to how to about how you can make more money, especially in this field, how to do the your premium domain. Upsell number four, you will get a monetization size $97 with $67. You will also our software will find profitable available frequent account. Many of them have target traffic that can maximize with a website and also come with the 300 campaign in over 20 niches and you can launch a website quickly and you can also you can build in the email capture format. That also you can build your list and all in order and also you can launch your website and make my money with them and also you can have 300 template is over the cover in 20 niches. These are the niche sites that are custom built by our team. And also you can easily sell for 300 in the stock site category of Flipper.com and user can get $300. If you want to have this and everything they will done for you and find the product for you and also you can also to build your email list you can tap into this monetization site just for $67. And upsell number 5 you will get a 10x multiplier. This is unlock special advantage keywords and offer 啦 for hidden monetization 啦，$67、$37嘅單 sale 啦。And then the user can unlock the offer and monetization which will handpicked by Jimmy and his team. This item for sales and monetization solution are hit, and also user will not only have this product added to their control panel account, but also you will can download the keyword list and campaign. If you want to tap into 10x multiplier, you can with it downsell $37. The last upsell is Winner Circle $77. They also come with $37嘅 downsell. This also you can resell and you can get the resale rights of 5 of Jimmy the most high converting funnel that you can sell it not only one but 5 is the most profitable funnel. You will get all the exclusive upgrade and you can get everything inside the product and get 100% commission if you want to just for $37. But in my opinion you can if you are interested in product and how you can make money is by selling premium domain is also a very easy process just to buy and sell, but the process is simple but how you can get it Jimmy is expert he will explain it to you if you want to everything is done for you. You don't have you have no idea how to do that. You can get it done for you. Upsell number 1 $27 downsell, and also the swipe page $37嘅 downsell. You will get and have 1,000嘅 pre-made swipe This is also the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 in my opinion and I highly recommend that you can grab it So that is also you can let's recap what my exclusive bonus for you I included 8 different ways that you can make money Bonus number 1 the loss code the training cost loss code Bonus number 2 you will the 0-hour work days Bonus number 3 you will get another training course easy passive Paydays Bonus number 5 you will get another course 0 to 100 in 24 hours Bonus number 5 you will get another training course training course and how to drive traffic from Instagram figure big hour Bonus number 7 you will get bang profit ready to go bonus page Bonus number 7 you will how you can make 2020 with Facebook group Last bonus is the 5K publishing playbook how you can make money by publishing your own book All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus. Simply click the link below. The first description will be my bonus page and you will get all my when you practice go to my bonus page press this blue button and go through the Siphon and purchase it and all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus automatically So lastly thanks for taking time to check out my SiphonCash review and bonus Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel have other playlists such included a marketing idea and multiple stream of income and big money alternatives and also don't forget to check my description below. Other than the bonus page I also have other freebies you can grab including training course and additionally the free training also free register you can register you can free training you can register especially the first link they will come if you are interested how to what you can learn from John Armstrong my top 3 product my top 3 product recommendation the first link they will register for the training for John Armstrong how you can make money and $10,000 in 30 days and you can register is a free training and other than that you can also have a free report you can easily download So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my description below to grab your freebie Okay, see you.